Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on or off firewall profile in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on or off firewall profile in Windows 11 computer, go to search and type cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Here in command prompt type netsh adv firewall set all profiles state off. netsh adv firewall set all profiles state off. This command will turn off all firewall profiles in Windows 11 computer. Now hit enter. Now I am going to check. In search type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security and click on Firewall and Network Protection. And look, now all firewall profiles are turned off here. Now close firewall. Now I am going to turn on all firewall profiles in Windows 11 computer. netsh adv firewall set all profiles state on. Now hit enter and look, it's okay. Now again open Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. And look, now all firewall profiles are turned on right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.